welcome to Triotech Software Trainings YouTube channel. My name is Kumar and I am the trainer for Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. Today I came up with a new topic in this video team, how to access release notes in the system. I mean to say, we all know team. In our previous video I have explained you quarterly upgradation policy, how Oracle upgrading their application team, right? As we all know by this time, Oracle Fusion applications will upgrade on a quarterly basis. Every year, 4 times Oracle upgrading their application team. So during this time, as an implementation consultant, how we can know team, what are the new enhancements that Oracle bringing in the system? Because when you learning about this technology team, you should not stop where you have started. As over the period of time, as application evolving, you should also grow along with the application team, right? If application is upgrading, you should also upgrade yourself team. So as part of that team, it's a continuous learning phase for us. Whoever working in this technology team, it's a continuous learning for us team. Over the span of time, every 3 months when Oracle upgrading the application team, we should also keep ourselves up to date what new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system. So where we can access that release notes documents team. The most important point here is team, we don't need to rely upon or depend upon someone team. Every quarterly upgrade, when Oracle coming up with a new version in their system team, Oracle will design the release notes. In this product, in this module, these are the new functionalities that they are coming up with screenshots, navigations, how to enable that functionality. Very detailed document Oracle will provide team. So this is very important concept team. I used to tell to my students also, make this as a habit throughout your tenure when you are working in the application team. Then only you will be up to date with the application, right? How we can access that team? Let me get into the system team. So if every one of you seeing my screen, what is this team? We are going to see today how to access release notes in the application team. The latest version is 25A as such. Let us see that only in 25A upgrade, what new functionalities Oracle brings in the system. So team, how we can access them? Go to your browser team, any browser of your convenient team. Google, Firefox, Internet Explorer, anything. Just type as docs.oracle.com. Just type as docs.oracle.com. In our previous video, where I have explained you where we can access Oracle standard documents in the system, the same place, documents.oracle.com. Come here team. Then choose your product. Okay, under cloud applications, Fusion application suite, human resource, right? Come to human resources team. Here, to access our documents in the system, we went to all books here team. See my cursor here, all books, okay? But if you want to know the release notes means what team? Every quarter, whatever the new release that Oracle coming, Oracle will prepare a document. I am telling. To access that team, just above all books, we have what team? Cloud readiness, what's new. Go to cloud readiness and what's new. So here you can see what's new in the system, right? Product wise, you can filter. Left hand side you see HCM, supply chain, sales, marketing, everything. Ours is HCM team, human capital management, right? Then here you can select the release filter team. Latest update means the upcoming. Now we are in the month of March. Next upgrade is 25B, right? So in 25B, what they are coming up in benefits module. This is benefits module document. This is compensation module document team. This is common features, help desk, HR module. Like that team, for all modules you can check out, for absence, for time and labor, for payroll. This is for upcoming release team. Next month, what upgrade that Oracle bringing in that upgrade, what new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system, Oracle given the document here team. If I want to check out existing or before that, whatever the upgrades we have, that documents team, come here, filter with prior updates. Okay, filter with prior updates. So here you can able to check out team 25A, 23B, 24B. See the prior upgrades documents you can able to check out team. So even much before, if you want, go with all updates, you can able to check them. Now let me check out not even 25A, 25B. Next month what upgrade Oracle bringing, let us see in each module what functionalities Oracle coming up with. Let me choose with all updates. Here you can view with product wise or the modules wise team. You want a payroll document, or you want a HR, or you want a talent related what? Human resource I am filtering. So here I can see team, see human resource, benefits, compensation. Let me go to human resources team. In core HR, global HR module I want. What's new 25B, right? Go to this document team, click on that. On the left hand side, expand this human resources team. Then you can see here global HR. Click on this team, global HR, and here team, these all are the new functionalities in the system. Under document records, under employment, you can see subsections team. Okay, if I go to employment, see, then if I select this one, this is a new feature Oracle coming up with the system team. Addition of person costing section in Redwood, local and global transfer. What is that feature? Okay, and with a screenshot where we are getting that in the system, that new functionality, and any steps that we have to follow to enable that feature. As it is a Redwood related team, some additional steps are there in our Visual Builder Studio to enable. That steps also Oracle given team. Then if I go here, next one, addition of overtime period field in Redwood employment process. See, this is the functionality in the front end. On this screen, this area, we are getting these functionalities. Then if I go to person, journeys, so everywhere team, you can see that. So if I select here team, nowadays everything Redwood team, so all customizations on the Redwood Oracle coming up. So here, this is a new functionality that Oracle bringing in. So what is that functionality? Okay, the detailed explanation of that. Like this team, every module, this is core HR team. Now let me go back. Okay, let me go back. Then let me open benefits module document team. Let me open benefits. Expand here. So what new transactions or functionalities Oracle bringing in? So you can check out here team. So enable benefits pending actions alert team. This is a new feature coming in. So in which screen that particular functionality coming. Then if I go here, enable Redwood experience for enrollment overrides page in benefit summary. Where is that? What functionality Oracle bringing? Detailed explanation and steps to enable how we have to do that. That will also Oracle will give team. So this is something very important. Don't take it on a lighter note. Every project implementation, it might be an implementation project or a support project or a testing project you might be part of team. This is your learning curve. Someone don't tell you, no one will tell you about this. Your project manager will not insist you, explore it, learn it. No one cares about you. It's you who have to take the decision on this thing. If you have to be up to date, then this is something every 3 months once spend 1 hour to 2 hours of your time to just explore the things team. By looking at that, you can easily understand, acha, okay, in this module, this new feature is coming in. You can able to recollect everything and you can able to feed in your mind team. So this is something very important. So this is how we will be able to access Oracle release notes in the system. So this is not anything that we require an access or request access from Oracle, nothing. It's an open source. Everyone who have access to good internet connection, they can able to access team. Okay. So thank you everyone for watching this video, team. So I request everyone, please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for further more updates on this Oracle HCM Cloud Applications team. Thank you everyone for watching this video once again, team.